Gut health is essential for overall health and well-being. A healthy gut supports digestion, immunity, and mood. However, many people suffer from poor gut health, which can lead to a variety of problems, including digestive issues, inflammation, and allergies. There are several things you can do to improve your gut health. Here are 9 steps to better digestion. Step 1. Eat a variety of plant foods. Plant foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes, are packed with fiber, which is essential for good digestion. Fiber helps to keep the digestive system moving and prevents constipation. Step 2. Include fermented foods in your diet regularly. Fermented foods, such as yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and kombucha, contain live bacteria that are beneficial for gut health. These bacteria help to break down food and absorb nutrients, and they may also help to boost the immune system. Step 3. Drink plenty of water. Water is essential for overall health, including gut health. Water helps to soften stool and prevent constipation. It also helps to transport nutrients throughout the body and flush out toxins. Step 4. Chew your food thoroughly. Chewing your food thoroughly helps to break it down into smaller pieces, which makes it easier for the digestive system to digest. It also helps to mix the food with saliva, which contains enzymes that start the digestion process. Step 5. Eat regular meals and snacks. Eating regular meals and snacks helps to keep the digestive system running smoothly. It also helps to prevent blood sugar spikes and crashes, which can lead to digestive problems such as bloating and gas. Step 6. Limit processed foods. Processed foods are often high in unhealthy fats, sugar, and salt, and they may also contain artificial ingredients and preservatives. All of these things can be bad for gut health. Step 7. Manage stress. Stress can disrupt digestion and lead to digestive problems such as constipation, diarrhea, and stomach upset. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as exercise, yoga, or meditation. Step 8. Avoid smoking and alcohol consumption. Smoking and alcohol consumption can damage the digestive system and lead to digestive problems such as ulcers, heartburn, and pancreatitis. Step 9. Get regular exercise. Exercise helps to keep the digestive system moving and prevents constipation. It also helps to reduce stress and improve overall health. And if you want to take a step toward better gut health, learn more about your digestive system. Check the link in your profile bio or description box.